Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a collection in your Shopify store. So without further ado, let's begin. First, you will find yourself at the Shopify homepage. To create a collection in Shopify, you want to navigate to the top left corner where it says products and click on it. Once you click on products, you're going to find collections underneath it. Click on the collections, and here you can see that I already have 3 collections. So what you want to do is you want to navigate to the top right corner and click this button, create collection. Once you click this button, you're going to be prompted to name your collection. So let's say, for example, that I'm going to say cat collars because I already have dog collars. You can add a little description for your collection, and then also here you're going to have the option to choose either manually add product to this collection or automatically. So manually, each time you're going to be adding a product, you're going to have a choice to add that product manually to this collection. However, if you want Shopify to add products automatically to this collection, let's say, for example, that you have dog collars, you have cat collars, and you want to add every cat collar to this collection. Well, what you can do is you can click on automated. In the conditions, you want to choose whether you want to do it, products must match all conditions or just any conditions. We're going to say all conditions because we're just going to keep it super simple. And for the products, we're going to change it here to title. So the condition is the product title contains a word, and we're going to say cat, right? So cat, and that's how it is. And then we just click save right here. And just like that, we created our first cat collection on Shopify. If this video was helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.